How to log into Credit Karma. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log into Credit Karma, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to log into Credit Karma, all you have to do is just open your browser and go to creditkarma.com, or you can also choose to open the application if you're using from mobile. Once you go to creditkarma.com, you're gonna see this type of interface where if you look at the very top right hand side, right in between help center and sign up, you will find a little login button. You want to make sure to click the login option here, and as you click the login option over here, you can see all you have to do is log in to your Intuit Credit Karma account. So just go ahead and make sure to enter your email address as well as also your password. Once you enter your email address and password, if you're not sure what password you've typed in, you can click the show button, but if your details are correct, you can click the login button and you'll be successfully signed into your Credit Karma account. That's all it takes to log into your Credit Karma account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.